Today we will see how to grow dragon fruit plant from seeds of a store-bought dragon fruit. So stay tuned as I will be sharing the results also. Hey everyone, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So we need a ripened dragon fruit. Pink pulp or white pulp, anything is fine because both the varieties have black seeds in abundance. Cut it half and you can see so many black spots, right? These are the tiny seeds. Collect it and put it in a bowl or in a strainer, then keep washing it thoroughly until you get clear seeds like this. Now once you wash them, the seeds are ready to be sown. Few people use paper towel method for seed germination. However, you can use these seeds as it is for germination. Even you don't need to wash it if you don't want to. But I would recommend you washing it thoroughly before sowing to avoid attracting ants and insects. Now here I'll be sowing these seeds in cocoa peat in this seedling tray. You can take a mixture of cocoa peat and compost for better results, but never use only soil for seed germination, especially if you're using seedling tray for the germination. As the soil gets really compact after watering and seedlings grown in the cocoa peat becomes very easy to transfer from the tray. However, if you grow them in soil, it becomes really hard to take out the seedling from the tray. So I would always recommend growing any seedling in a tray in cocoa peat only. Now after sowing seeds, make sure to keep it moist always and put it at a sunny spot for better and healthy germination. So this is how the seeds will look after germination, and this is the status after 2 weeks. Dragon fruit plant grows really slow, especially if they are grown from seeds. So you need to have some patience. And after about 25 days, you will see the cactus growing out of it, as the dragon fruit is a cactus. So slowly it will grow into a cactus once it grows bigger, maybe after a couple of months. And you can see its spikes as well, right? And now it's been more than 2 months, and you can see the cactus has grown quite big. And I wanted to transfer it to the pot from the seedling tray for better growth because we grew it in the cocoa peat, so it was very easy to take it out from the tray. So this is how I have transferred it to this pot in the soil, and once it grows big I will come up with its update video. So that's all for today, friends. If you buy a dragon fruit from the supermarket, collect its seeds and grow them in the pot, or this way you can prepare the seedling and then later you can shift it to the pot and share your experience with me. Last week I shared a video on growing dragon fruit from a plant that I bought from Amazon. In case you missed that video, do check it. It has already produced fruit also. That's all for today. See you soon.